We've all been there. You spend hours on Suno trying to get the perfect prompt. You want a specific melody, a specific voice, and a specific beat. But the AI keeps giving you 2 out of the 3. Usually, you just keep burning credits, hoping to get lucky. But that era is over. With the new MASHUP update, Suno has moved from being a simple generator to a professional remix engine. Instead of asking the AI to do everything at once, we can now take the soul of one song and perform it with the energy of another. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use this feature. We'll do a deep dive walkthrough of the feature and the interface with a pro tips to master mashups, with taking on songs from completely different worlds. This isn't just about making mashups, it's about taking total control over your music production. Let's start with the basics of how to actually get a mashup started. It's very simple, but there is one hidden feature you need to know about. You have 2 ways to begin. First, you can go to your library, find a song you've already made, and simply drag it over to the Create column on the left. You'll see a new option appear called Mashup. Click that. The second way is to click the 3 dots next to any song in your library, go to Remix Edit, and select Mashup from that menu. Once you've selected your first song, let's call this the parent track, a second slot will open up. This is where you add your style track. Now, here is the professional tip. You aren't limited to your own library. If you click Add Another Song, you'll see a tab labeled Everything. Here you can search for any public song on Suno, or better yet, you can paste the URL link of any song you've found on the platform. This means you can take a viral beat you love and mash it with your own lyrics instantly. For our first demo, I want to walk you through the process step by step using a rap track. We are going to try an energy shift. I have a track here called Midnight Coffee. It's a very relaxed, lo-fi hip-hop song. Listen to the original.
Steam rising up the panoramic grill. Midnight shadows looking kinda slim. City lights blur like a faded dream. Nothing is ever really what it seems. Just a slow brew in the quiet hour, letting the silence find its power. No rush, no.
The rapper is calm, his voice is quiet, and the beat is slow. The flow is great as it is now, but I want to see what this would sound like as an aggressive, high-energy trap song. So I'm going to drag this Midnight Coffee into the Create section. Click on the Mashup tab. Now it's in the top slot. This ensures his lyrics and rhythm are the skeleton of the new song. In the second slot, I'm adding a track called Industrial Chaos. It's a heavy, distorted trap instrumental.
I got shit. Break the wall, feel the heat rising up. We don't stop till the tank is out of luck. Concrete jungle where the shadows ignite. We own the rhythm, we own the night.
That is really chaotic. Not my cup of tea, but let's go with it. Now look at the lyrics box. I have 3 choices: Song A, Song B, or Mashup Lyrics. Let's go with the Mashup Lyrics for this example. By selecting Mashup Lyrics, I'm telling the AI to blend the story of the coffee shop with the chaos of the trap beat. It actually rewrites the verses to fit the new mood. But here's where the real pro control happens. Go down to Advanced Options and look at the Audio Influence slider. This is the most important setting in this entire update. Because Midnight Coffee is so calm and Industrial Chaos is so loud, I'm going to drop this slider to about 40%. If I keep it at 100%, the AI will try to keep the rapper's voice exactly as it was, quiet and whispering, which would sound very weird over those heavy drums. By dropping it to 40%, I'm giving the AI permission to re-perform the vocals with more aggression. Let's hit Create and see if our rapper woke up.
City lights blur like a faded dream. Nothing is ever really what it seems. Break the wall, feel the heat rising up. We don't stop till the tank is out of luck. Just a slow brew in the quiet hour, letting the silence find its power. Concrete jungle where the shadows ignite. We own the rhythm. We own the night. No rush, no race, no heavy heart. Just waiting for the sun to start. Break the wall, feel the heat, rising up. We don't stop, no, we never get enough. We own the night. We own the rhythm, we own the night.
That is a total transformation. The AI didn't just change the beat, it changed the attitude of the performance. But I do feel a bit uncomfortable that the resulting song was 7 mins, so it feels like it has done more adding stuff than blending. Anyway, let's move on to the next one. Next, let's talk about scale. This is for when you have a simple, beautiful melody, but you want it to sound like a stadium anthem. I have a folk song here called Wooden Floorboards. It's a raw, emotional vocal with just a single acoustic guitar.
The corners of a room I left inside. These wooden floorboards whisper every name, but the echo never really sounds the same. Oh, the miles go on, but the heart stays still, waiting for the light on the edge of it.
I love this melody. So, I'll drag Wooden Floorboards to the top slot. In the second slot, I'm adding a track called Iron Thunder. This is a hard rock instrumental with massive distorted power chords and heavy pounding drums. Now for the sliders. Since I want the melody to stay exactly the same, I am turning the audio influence up to 85%. I'm essentially telling Suno, keep the singer exactly as he is, but build a massive rock band around him. Let's see the result.
But the echo never really sounds the same. Oh, the miles go on, but the heart stays still, waiting for the light on the edge of the hill. I'm a long way home, but I'm getting close to the things I think I'm gonna miss the most.
Okay, that didn't come out exactly as I wanted. Maybe it is because I set the audio influence too high, but I didn't feel much contribution from the hard rock instrumental track we put as the second song. It felt more like another slight variation of our folk acoustic original song. Okay, for our final experiment, we are going to try something that would be nearly impossible for a human producer to do this quickly. We're bridging two completely different cultures. I have a Spanish reggaeton track here. It has a very specific Latin pop vocal style and that classic dembow rhythm.
Bailando bajo la luna, sintiendo tu calor, en el ritmo de la noche, perdemos el control. Tu mirada me acelera, no hay nada que explicar. Eres el fuego sagrado que me hace despertar. Es amor, es pasión, es el alma en movimiento. Eres tú la razón de todo lo que siento. Ay, mami,
Pretty cool song, right? I want to see if we can force these Spanish vocals to work over a Hindi cinematic track full of Bollywood strings, sitars, and traditional tablas. This is a massive technical challenge because Latin pop and Indian classical music use different musical scales. I'm dragging the Spanish song to the top. I'm dragging the Hindi track to the bottom. Look at the mashed up lyrics. It has blended them with each other well. This time, I'm setting the audio influence to 50%. This creates a handshake between the two styles. I want the AI to keep the Spanish words, but I'm giving it enough freedom to bend the notes so they fit the Indian classical scale. Let's see if we can create a global fusion.
Bailando bajo la luna, sintiendo tu calor, en el ritmo de la noche, perdemos el control. तेरी आंखों में बसी है मेरी हर सुबह, तेरे बिना ये जिंदगी है एक सजा. Tu mirada me acelera, no hay nada que explicar. Eres el fuego sagrado que me hace despertar. प्यार का ये रंग ये निराला समा, तू ही है मेरा दिल, तू ही है मेरा जहां. Es amor, es pasión, es el alma en movimiento. Eres tú la razón de todo lo que siento. धड़कन में बस तू ही समाया है. तूने
That is incredible. It didn't just pace the vocals. It adapted the singer's soul to fit a brand new cultural context. This was a pretty good generation. Before you jump in, look at your workspace one more time. Every new mashup tells you exactly where it came from. Right above the lyrics, you'll see the names of the two parent songs. You can click them to go back and hear the originals. This is great for tracking your growth as a producer. Also, keep in mind, this feature is still in experimental level and yet to be further developed. You are going to get some weird results and you're going to get some absolute masterpieces. To be honest, I wasn't very happy with our first two experiments' results, but the third time was the charm. That's the beauty of it. We call it MAFO, mashup, and find out. So start taking your best melodies and reimagining them in worlds they've never been in before. By the way, if you want to take this further, come join us over at the AI with TechSnap community. We just opened up our official Discord server and Patreon. It's a place for us to hang out, share what we're creating, and help each other grow. Whether you're a free member or looking to support the channel, I'd love to see you there. Head over to the Patreon link in the description to grab your Discord invite and get started. If you found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button. I'm deep diving into every Suno update so you don't have to waste your credits experimenting alone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.